Behind every small space, there is a larger story of how people long to feel safe, calm, and embraced. Interior design is not just walls and furniture. It is a quiet language that speaks of who we are and how we wish to live. A minimalist living room holds warmth in its simplicity. A modest sofa, a small table, and a touch of greenery in the corner enough to create a meeting place for family, conversations, and intimacy. Natural light is more than illumination. It is life entering the room, washing the walls with honesty in the morning, and bringing peace in the late afternoon. Free, yet priceless. Decor doesn't have to be expensive. A handmade shelf, books once read, a small candle flickering at night, these speak louder than any costly painting without memory. Warm colors are more than aesthetics. They are silent embraces, wrapping the space in safety and tenderness. A small dining table does not diminish togetherness. Around such a table, the most honest conversations are born, beneath the glow of a humble lamp. Limited space gives birth to creativity. Multi-purpose furniture is not just budget-friendly, but a quiet brilliance in daily living. Even the smallest kitchen can hold warmth. The aroma of coffee, spices neatly arranged, and open shelves that reveal simplicity make it the heart of a home. Greenery, however small, breathes life into a room. A humble plant reminds us that happiness grows from the simplest things. Art doesn't need to come from galleries. A handmade sketch, a simple print, these carry meaning because they carry pieces of the heart. The bedroom is where we return to ourselves. Soft bedding and the glow of a small lamp are enough to cradle us into restful gratitude. Even the simplest textiles can carry beauty. A pattern throw, a soft cushion, thin curtains, layers of warmth that touch the soul. Walls are not just boundaries. They are canvases, waiting for creativity to turn them into silent stories. Light is the poet of a room. With the simplest lamps, it can turn nights into scenes of intimacy and hope. Even the smallest balcony can become a sanctuary. With a folding chair, a few plants, and soft lights, it transforms into a breath of calm. Smart storage is not just about space, it is about peace of mind. When everything has its place, the heart feels spacious too. A simple rug binds a room together. Its texture welcomes bare feet, like the earth greeting us home. Sheer curtains are gentle storytellers. They invite light in while still keeping intimacy intact. Details in the kitchen are poetry in silence. A clean cup, a wooden tray, simple dishware, everyday beauty we often overlook. Comfort does not require wealth. A single pillow, a warm blanket on the sofa, are enough to make us feel at home. Handmade crafts carry honesty. Every knot and weave is time, patience, and love made visible. Beauty is not always found in uniformity. Even mismatched plates, when arranged with care, create a table rich with story. Soft tones are like background music, subtle, unassuming, yet touching the soul with calm. A mirror is more than reflection. It opens up narrow spaces, brings in light, and invites us to look back at ourselves. A workspace doesn't need luxury. A small desk near a window, a simple chair, and a tiny plant can be enough to hold focus. A family corner, however modest, is where memories are born. Laughter, scattered toys, these are treasures beyond price. A wall of photos is not decoration, it is a museum of life, storing the pulse of everyday moments. A soft ambience heals the weary heart. A single lamp glowing warmly can become the embrace of evening. Harmony does not come from cost, but from honesty in arrangement. Even simple furniture whispers beauty when placed with care. Personal touches breathe life into a room. Notes, souvenirs, books that once changed us, they make the space fully ours. True luxury is not in the price, but in the feeling. A warm throw, a candle's glow, textures that invite rest, these are luxuries of the heart. In the end, a home is not about how much was spent. It is about how much it allows us to feel safe, whole, and embraced. Simplicity, when cared for with love, always feels like true luxury.